你出现让我找到我自己。当我痛苦不已，你把我扶起。上天的安排，只好一回来。爱到天荒地老，是我的呼吸。Baby, you are all I need. Sweet baby, 你在我左右时，活在空气里。我只需要你。做了这首曲子 Thank you， 我只需要你。当我失去希望，你给我力量，把光明在我心里。拥有了梦想，跟从前一样，给了你的全部，如此无私地。Baby, you are all I need. Sweet baby, 你在我左右时，活在空气里。我只需要你，那么甜蜜不用怀疑，我只需要你。I couldn't believe it when you finally came around and found me. I was down and out and oh, I was almost drowning, and you lift me up with all the love that you have surround me. Turn back on my heartbeat with your light love world around me. Baby， 你在我左右时，活在空气里。我只需要你，那么甜蜜不用怀疑。我只需要你。
Hello good people, and once again here we are back in the van trying to do a bit more of the insulation. I have to start a new job tomorrow, chefing. Honestly, I don't recommend being a chef. It's stressful and so much work. Just cook in the kitchen, fine, done. Anyway, insulation wise, as you can see, I've done like all these bits all around there, etc. So all that's done. Now, starting on the board. Oh boy. Yes, not quite how I envisaged it. Not quite how I thought it would go. But it's in. And I'm too scared to stand on it. And that's all the Celotex in. Little square patches, look. All the way along. As best I could. To here. Right, good morning YouTubers. Quick update on what I've just done. I've just recently started a new job, chefing in a new place, and I've been able to use the tool shed next door, which today I just did some flooring. I didn't video it because honestly you don't want to be taking my bad examples of flooring, so or cutting with a jigsaw or anything like that. Really bad. I'm going to show you what I've got up to now. I just put in 3 boards, and then later on I should be doing the vinyl flooring as well. So check this out. As you can see, I've got the floorboards in, and they are solid, man. They're like 12mm hardwood plywood. Yeah, so basically what I did with this was, you see these boards here, that's the original floorboard, so I used them as a template, which was a bit off because I put some insulation in some of the gaps where the actual floorboard was, so I had to resize them a few times. But it worked pretty well, and as you can see, my cutting is not the best. It joins there, look, that's alright. This is the workshop bit.
Perhaps you work in a store and you can shed some light on what's been going on. I bet you've got some angry customers. 08000 288 291, email vine@bbc.
Cool, huh? Okay, I'm pretty sure that's everything screwed down. A few little extra holes there, look. Couldn't find the board. And here too. All that all nailed down, screwed down. Feels pretty solid actually, I'm quite surprised. Let's hope that it doesn't bounce or make any silly noises. Alright, I just cut the lino. Hopefully I've done this right. I've done it upside down so that when I put it back on, it should be the right fit. Okay, I've just laid the lino or vinyl flooring out, and it fits perfectly. So now, somehow, I need to figure out a way of gluing it and sticking it down without it moving. Alright, so I just stuck down the floor. They're on this ridge too. Looks pretty cool. Well, first half anyway, so here comes the second half. Looking pretty sexy so far. Alright, so glued all these bits down under here. Oh shit, they're coming off, hang on. I've been doing the insulation, as you can see up there. I've been using these clips that Greg Virgo was using on his ceiling, but I'm using them on the walls as well, which they had to move because the insulation boards I'm using are like 50 mil and the pins barely come out through the top, as you can see by this. So I've had to sort of squash them into the insulation. So I'm going to cover that up with a bit of foil, but they're solid. I mean, that ain't going anywhere. Alright, so after a day of doing the insulation, this is the final result. So as you can see, I managed to get all the walls done. Bit of wiring involved. Over this side. Same thing, all done. All the way down to the back. So next time around I will be probably doing the vapor barrier, I think. Sticking that all around on top of the insulation, making sure that no water will ever get to the outside of the van. A couple of customers there thinking this guy's nuts talking to himself. Right, so for now, see you later.
Just you.